If you want to connect your Namecheap email to Gmail so you can send and receive messages using your custom domain, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. This is a great way to keep everything organized in one inbox while still using your professional email address. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to set up email forwarding so messages sent to your Namecheap address show up inside Gmail. To begin, log into your Namecheap private email webmail interface by going to privateemail.com. Once you're signed in, open the settings menu and look for the forwarding section. Here, click to add a forwarding address. This is the destination where your emails will be sent. In most cases, you'll want to enter your Gmail address so all incoming Namecheap emails get forwarded straight into Gmail. Now, if you want to keep a copy of every message in your Namecheap inbox as well, turn on the option that says keep a copy of the message. This is useful if you want a backup of your emails stored in both places. If you prefer to manage everything only in Gmail, you can leave that off depending on how you want your workflow to work. Once your forwarding settings are saved, the next part is configuring Gmail so it can send emails using your custom Namecheap domain. This is the part that makes your Gmail account look professional, because your outgoing emails will come from your business address instead of a regular Gmail address. To do that, log into your Gmail account on a desktop browser. This is important because the full settings menu is easier to access on desktop than on mobile. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. From there, go to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and add sending addresses. Scroll down until you find the Send Mail As section. Here, click Add another email address. A new window will appear, asking for your display name and email address. In the name field, type the name you want recipients to see. In the email address field, enter your full Namecheap email address, such as you@yourdomain.com. Make sure this matches the exact address tied to your custom domain. After that, Gmail will ask you to configure SMTP settings so it can send mail through Namecheap's server. Enter the SMTP server as mail.privateemail.com. Set the port to 465. For the username, use your full Namecheap email address. For the password, enter your Namecheap email password, then choose Secured Connection using SSL as the security type. These settings are what allow Gmail to authenticate your Namecheap mailbox and send messages properly. Once everything is filled in, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a confirmation email to your Gmail inbox or show a verification message during setup. Open the confirmation link that was sent to Gmail and approve the connection. This step is essential because until you verify it, Gmail will not fully allow you to send from your custom Namecheap address. After confirmation, your Namecheap email address will be available inside Gmail when you compose a message. You can choose your custom domain address from the From field and send professional-looking emails directly from Gmail. At the same time, with forwarding enabled, incoming emails sent to your Namecheap address will land in Gmail too, giving you one central place to manage everything. If something doesn't work right away, double-check the email address, password, SMTP server, port, and SSL setting. Those small details are usually the reason a connection fails. Also, make sure forwarding is saved correctly inside Namecheap, because that's what handles incoming messages, and that's it. You've now connected Namecheap email to Gmail so you can send and receive emails using your custom domain. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.